Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. It's Friday. Usually I don't do the trade videos on Friday just because it's Friday. I like to maybe take it a little bit more easy, but there seems to be quite a bit of stuff going on out there. So I feel like that I could maybe be getting some good trading action here. That could be, I could be totally wrong. So that'll be fun to document this journey, and we'll see if what I'm seeing right now actually translates into any worthwhile trading action or not. But right now I got the feeling, therefore here's the video, and we will see what happens with it. Market doesn't open up for another 11 minutes, but I do have a pre-order out there on NETE at 925. So some potential here for maybe some pre-market trading, but if not, I'll just see you back at the open. All right, have a pre-market order in at 46.37 here on BIG. Market opens up in less than 2 minutes, but might be a situation where I'm able to get some of these shares right out of the gates as we'll see if the floodgates open or not. I will keep you updated. Right, I have a couple orders. I'm going to let this play as I type up the chat in the chat room, just in case any of them get filled. So this is a ETSY. I have an order to short for my opening position up there at 27.75. Also have an order on ZSAN. So let's see if Etsy can get up there or not. I will keep you updated. All right, looking to pick up some NETE here at 1040. Just an introductory allotment there. Let me get rid of these other orders. Left me, is it going to leave me in the dust? We'll see. Don't want to chase it, but if it wants to pull back a bit, we'll see. And it's looking like it wants to leave me in the dust now at this point. And now it's through 11. So, yep, left me in the dust. All right, have an order at 1025. It's pulling back here. Whether or not it gets down to 1025, I don't know. If anything though, good lesson on why you don't chase. You got to keep in mind there were some people that were buying up here. I mean, if you put yourself in their shoes right now, they're probably getting they're probably chewing on their fingernails right now. All right, I'm trying, but I don't know if this is going to get down to 1025 or not. I will keep you updated. Oh, wow, that was fast. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm in. We'll look to get some more shares down here if possible. It literally happened in literally a blink of an eye. So I apologize for that. But it is what it is. Well, regardless, I am in the position, just 500 shares. I'd like to get some more, just in case there's another plunge like that. I'd like to try to take advantage of that. All right, so I'm in there. See if I can pick up some more shares. Average of 1005. Nice, nice. Still just 2,000 shares, so nothing huge. We'll look to accumulate some more down in this area of the chart. So let's see what happens. Again, average of 989. Only 2,000 shares. Now this was like Apple. That's definitely a lot of shares, but this is literally sub $10. All right, I'm going to try for some at 960. Not sure if they're going to give them to me or not. I'd like to see a flush down to this area of the chart, which is the low 9s. So now it's just a matter of, is it going to flush down some more, or is it going to bounce and get me filled? So I got some more shares there. Now my average is at 983. Let's see if we can get down through 950. Oops, what did I do? Oops, I accidentally hit something with my finger while I'm trying to make an alert in the chat room. So that green line there, if it hits that, is where I start to make money. If it goes above it, then that's where I start to make even more money, as I have some cells scattered around out there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause, and I will keep you updated on the action. All right, it's trying to make a move up there. Again, that green line is where I start to have some of my sales out there to lock in profits. But never mind, looks like that was just kind of a little faulty move. I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, giving it another go. 980 seems to be that little area of resistance. All right, never mind. All right, looking like I'm going to get the break of 950 here. I'll let it run here a little bit. All right, good. Not even at 10 minutes yet. All right, I'm going to pause now. All right, trying for that 980 break again. Okay, it's going for trying to get up in the 990s. Well, it tried to get through my green line, but didn't quite do it. So let's see if this thing wants to bounce or not. So apparently my line needs to be a little bit more up like that. So let's see if it wants to move and hit that green line. Stopping just shy of it. And back down it goes. All right. All right, it's going once again for that green line. Can it actually hit it? This one is just absolutely toying with me, isn't it? All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, looking like I'm going to have to take a loss on this one if it breaks down through 950. We'll see what happens if it can hold or not. Not looking so good though. I will keep you updated. All right, looking once again like the stop could very well be coming here. This thing really just seems to have run out of steam, and while it could recover, I'm not going to waste my time with it anymore, and I will take the loss and move on to find something else. So I'm out there, $1,000 loss. All right, I am back. Well, I've been back, but forgot to get the video recording because there was a long time lapse. You can see the times up here, 9:45, and then walked away for a little bit. Just kind of chilled out. I mean, I'll be honest, losing is not fun. My strategy is a high win rate, so when losses do come around, it's irritating, but that's part of the game, and it happens. So I walked away, got my mind right, and came back here and caught a trade here for just $67. And of course, that's nothing compared to with 1,000. But like I said, my win rate, it's a higher win rate. So yes, these wins will look smaller. But as I've said time and time again, yes, when I lose, my losses are bigger than my wins and my winning days. And that's just, and I've done plenty of vlog articles. I've done plenty of case studies where I've shown past months where there's losses, and you see that the losses do wipe away, a few days. And that's what happened here. That loss has wiped away a couple days wins, but I'm still green on the month. And, so yeah, I'm still happy with it, but I'm not happy with the loss, but it just comes with the territory. It doesn't happen often. It does happen. And as you saw there, when it happens, it's a bit bigger. But like I said, walked away, got my mind right, came back, took some BG here, shorted this, what I figured was a dead cat bounce, and it is proven to be somewhat of a dead cat bounce. And what I did was I was doing 500 shares, but I went down to 300 and I forgot that. So when I was trying to get out, I thought I was getting out in 500 increments, but I wasn't. So I was throwing myself off, but regardless, I mean, everything still turned out fine. So $67 there. So, hey, at least I'm down below 1,000 on the day. I'll see if I can capture one more trade here, but it is a Friday afternoon, so I'm not going to force anything. So, but if something pops up, I'll try to get it. All right, well, I'm going to wrap this video up. Figures right when I say that. There's something that seems to be maybe moving. Let's just check it out real quick. Let's look around. Put an order up at 1285. I don't know if it'll get up there or not. All right, so never mind. We'll see if this one can get filled. I'm going to pause. Never mind. This thing's not what I'm looking for, especially on a Friday, early afternoonish, lunchtime-ish time. Anyways, I don't want to post this video. I'm going to post this video because this is what happens in trading, and I can already see some of the comments below. But 98% of people, I get it. But, there's always the YouTube professional traders that will show up and lecture me. So go away, lecture. I suppose I need it. I did take a loss, but it is what it is. Like I said, don't want to post it, but you will see it. Final few things here before you go. If you want me to keep making these videos, the easiest way to communicate that to me is to click that like button and then subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, you can go to the claytrader.com and sign up for our private trading room. That only costs $99 per year, not per month, per year. And then if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts and such, then you can go to claytrader.com, which probably all sounds kind of goofy. Why would I want to learn from you, dude? You don't even know how to trade. You just lost $1,000. And yes, with a sample size of one, I can't fault your logic. I just say, check out the channel. There's a whole bunch of other live trade videos where I actually don't take losses, but it is what it is. Losses are part of the game. So as much as I don't want to post this video, it's going to be posted. So thank you as always. And again, if you like this and want me to keep making them, click that like button. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.